State government is committed to the well-being of the farmers. 24-hour quality-free power is being supplied to the farmers along with the implementation of the Warangal Declaration. The government is already working to fulfill the promise of the Raitu Bharosa scheme. The Raitu Bharosa scheme benefit is already deposited in the bank accounts of small and medium farmers. The government is also holding deliberations with banks to implement. Rupees 2 lakh loan waiver scheme for farmers. The government is bound to complete the farmer loan waiver scheme in a planned manner. My government is reiterating that all the promises made to the farmers will be fulfilled. I would like to make it clear to all Telangana people, the past government was not accessible to common man. People were in chaos to submit their grievances. We all witnessed that there was no government mechanism that existed to wipe out poor man's tears. Today, a democratic government is ruling Telangana. State government ministers are available to hear public grievances at the Prajavani program every Tuesday and Friday at Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Praja Bhavan in Hyderabad. Freedom is given to common man to submit their grievances before the Chief Minister and the ministers in the State Secretariat. The government is contemplating the launch of the Prajavani program at the grassroots level. After the formation of Telangana state, the present government is performing in true spirit of the Constitution for the first time. I am proudly saying the people's freedom and their fundamental rights are highly regarded in the Telangana administration. With the inspiration of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the people's government is heading forward, aiming for the welfare of the poor, BC, SC, ST and minority communities. I am heartfully wishing again that the Telangana state will reach many heights in development and improve people's living standards through welfare with the same inspiration from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. A constitution is not mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of the age. I want to conclude with a couplet from the Tirukkural. Anjamai, Ihai, Arivukam, Innangum, Enjamai, Vendar Kiyalbu. Dhairyam, Udarada, Vivekam, Mariyu, Utsaham. అనేవి విజయవంతమైన ప్రభుత్వానికి ఉండాల్సిన 4 ముఖ్యమైన లక్షణాలు. జై భారత్, జై తెలంగాణ.
మువ్వన్నెల జెండా ఆశీస్సులతో మురుస్తున్నది భారతీయ ప్రజాస్వామ్య స్ఫూర్తి. ముఖ్యమంత్రి రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారి మార్గదర్శనంలో తెలంగాణ